Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to take a look at the slot color light icons theme. So this theme is available in the gnomelook.org website. You have to go there, you have to find the slot color light icons theme, click here and you have to download the theme. So in the download option it will download the zip file containing the icons for the slot color light icon theme. The theme will be downloaded here. I will just show you where. In the downloads folder, just like this, and then you have to right click and extract, or you can extract to any folder of your choice. Once the folder is extracted, you have to copy the folder, go to the home directory, and in the home directory you have to create a .icons file. So by default the .icon or the .files are hidden. You have to make the hidden files visible using this option, and then inside the icons folder that you have created, you have to copy paste it. So here you can see the light icon theme has already been copy pasted by me. Now first thing that you have to do is you have to change the dark style to default light style, or the if it purely light style is not available, it is a mix like what we have in the Debian Trixie, that is light and dark mix. So you have to change over to the mix theme. That is done. Now you have to open your Twix, that is the GNOME Twix. Go over to the icons, click here. It will change the icon of the system, and the cursor is not supported, so you will not get cursor. You have to use the cursor theme from the Advaita default, that is default in the GNOME desktop of Debian Trixie. Legacy of application icons are also not supported. You have to keep everything like that. Now you can see how the system folders look. This is how the system folders look with this icon theme. This is how it will look. Everything will look. Now I will close this. Let us close this also. I will just show you how the icons look. This is a good looking theme. Not that good. It will look better in KDE, but here also it is not bad. It is acceptable. You can see everything looks cohesive, nothing wrong in this, nothing bad, everything is looking nice. So earlier we tried this two themes. So this theme is not that good looking, but still acceptable. Many will like it. So earlier we tested the US full distro and the slot dark icons. So slot colored icons was looking better than the light icons that we are trying out right now. So you have to try out different themes and check which themes suit you, and then you can start using the themes regularly, whichever themes you like or suits your style of wallpaper. And also you can change the wallpapers along with this icon theme. So icon themes, system themes and the wallpapers all work together to create a beautiful cohesive look for your desktop. So this I have installed using the variety wallpaper manager. This is the variety wallpaper manager, and you have to use the different wallpapers and make them suitable or make them complement your icon themes, system themes, so that your desktop looks very stunning and attractive, and you like to work with a stunning and good looking attractive desktop than with an unattractive bad looking desktop. So that changes the complete mood of the work that you are doing on your system. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.